let's see, climate stuff built in. So let's see, let me turn the car on. So it's got a screen for that. It's also got an overlay. One thing you'll notice is that it's in Celsius. I emailed them about that. They don't have a software thing to convert it into Fahrenheit. It's really kind of annoying. So that's one thing you'll have to consider. Again, the things I mentioned in the beginning, the 95% piece of this outdoes any of the other shortcomings, I feel. I don't know, the dimming feature works on this. As you can see, it responds. And this will also respond if, you know, once it gets dark and whatnot. Let's see, when I open the door, it knows the door is open. Let's see if we can do the backup camera. So the backup camera. We'll go to the main menu. I always use Carplay, but it's got you know, this main menu with this cool background thing going on. Just different apps. It's got a place for a SIM card, so I ordered like another SIM card for my T-Mobile account, and you'll be able to go like on Chrome and use the internet and stuff. I haven't installed it yet. Let's see what else we got. Once you've got it all plugged in correctly, you don't need to configure the steering wheel controls. It just all works. So let's see if we can go to CarPlay. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, so steering wheel controls are working. Yeah, the forward and back buttons work for the music. It's got a built-in mic right here. The quality's not great, but it also does come with an external mic if you want to like run a wire and all that. I didn't feel like doing any of that, but overall I'm super happy with it. You know, it's got the cool bezel that is like the stock one, so it all kind of just matches. But that's kind of the gist.